Hello friends, today I have shown you how to hack Subway Surf in your mobile. So first of all, if you have not Subway Surf game, so download it from Play Store, and after download the APK of Lucky Patcher, which I given in my description. So click on Lucky Patcher and click on Subway Surf, and its third option, open menu of patches, create, and third option, APK reboot for an app, and rebuild the app. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. If you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe, and don't forget to like. I never make fake video, I am always make real video. You can see that the loading was starting. Here we can see that the file was open. So click on go to file and click on file, and the second option, install and install. I am not install because I am already do it. So you do. I am showing you how to patch. So open Subway Surf. Open Subway Surf. First step, let's try from the gameplay. Now I have shown you how it's patch. So click on coin and click on yes. Here we can see that the game of Subway Surfer hack. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.